TechieShubhDeep IT Solutions Pvt is pleased to offer a fantastic opportunity to develop your capacity for analysis and to discover the hidden potential of data through our extensive SPSS training course. Are you prepared to take the first step towards a paradigm shift in the way you view and evaluate information? Stop right there. Our SPSS course will teach you the skills you need to effectively manage large datasets, mine them for insights, and make informed decisions. TechieShubhDeep knows how crucial it is to keep up with the data-driven modern world. Learn the ins and outs of SPSS, the industry standard for statistical analysis, from the ground up with the help of our knowledgeable instructors. Why should you enroll in our SPSS course? We provide: learn advanced methods of data analysis, visualization, and interpretation in SPSS with this course's thorough curriculum. Gain experience with SPSS in the real world through real-life case studies and interactive exercises. Expert guidance. Receive one-on-one instruction and feedback from qualified instructors who are committed to your success. Our instructor-led classes are available both in person and online to accommodate a variety of schedules and learning styles. Upon completion, you will be awarded a recognized certification recognizing your proficiency with SPSS. Don't let this wonderful chance to hone your data analysis abilities pass you by. To secure your place, please call +91 830 523 3223 or send an email to info@techiesgroup.co.in right away. Check out our website at www.techiesgroup.co.in for additional details. TechieShubhDeep IT Solutions Pvt can help you unleash SPSS's full potential, taking your analytical expertise to new heights. Sign up right away to ensure a promising career in data science.